Alright you guys, so today I'm going to show you some more problems that I'm having with my Jeep JK Wrangler. This is a 2008 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. This thing has honestly been nothing but problems for me. Nothing, catastrophic or major, nothing that keeps me from going from point A to point B. But, however, the new problem that I'm starting to have issues, or the new item that I'm starting to have issues with, is the TIPM, the Totally Integrated Power Module, or TIPM as everybody calls it. It started with my doors not wanting to lock. They pick and choose when they actually want to lock. Basically, it seems as if it was cold, I could lock the doors, but after I drive the Jeep around and warm it up, I can't lock the doors. But now I have a new problem. I'm going to engage cruise control. You see I just turned on cruise, and I'm going to set it. And as you can see, it does not set. And I'm pretty sure that this is also due to the TIPM. So not only are the doors not locking, the cruise control is not setting, I also hear that this item will pick and choose when the fuel pump turns on and off, or other pretty major things that could potentially keep me from going from point A to point B. Overall, I do not recommend buying a Jeep. Also, airbag light, that's due to a clock spring behind the airbag right here. Fairly expensive part that I'm on a waiting list to have repaired, and have been for quite a while. But overall, shed your thoughts, guys. Are you guys having the cruise control issue? Was it your TIPM?